Hello kitties, I am back on my YouTube channel. I am sitting in front of my kitchen windows. So it's like really bright in here and there's really good lighting and my lips are really red because I'm wearing chapstick right now. But I was gone for like almost 2 weeks on this channel and I'm just going to talk about why I was gone for like those 2 weeks. And some of you know, if you add my social medias and everything, I'm still a little sick, as you can tell, maybe a little bit in my voice and because I have a little bit of a cough. But everything else, I'm starting to feel a lot better. I did have like the flu or whatever, and I had to sit in bed and just get myself better and drink lots of water. And anyway, I tell you kitties to add my Snapchat and everything so you know what's going on with my YouTube channel. But I am feeling a whole lot better than what I did before, and I wanted to make sure that I was feeling like almost about 90-100% before I film a new YouTube video on my channel. And I decided that I should do some like fun crafting things on my YouTube channel. I watch other YouTubers do some fun crafting stuff and I love doing crafts, and I haven't done crafts in like forever. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna do some crafting stuff. And so what I saw on Pinterest and some other YouTubers do was, I got some Sharpies over here, but I picked out, okay, so anyway, this little DIY, I have Sharpies right here. I only picked out the main ones that I wanted to like draw on this t-shirt. So what I saw was like a lot of people like drew on like a t-shirt or like any white thing, like a pillow or something like that. And then I got my like bottle of water right here, and I'm gonna spray the water and see what happens. It's supposed to turn into like a tie-dye kind of thing. So we're gonna try that today on my channel. And like I said, I want to try to do more craft stuff because it's really fun. And I don't know, I just decided to try some more craft things. So I'm gonna do that. And so I have this pink Sharpie, and what I'm gonna do is just kind of draw downwards and see how this works out. Okay, so I got this tie-dye little shirt thing here, and now what I'm gonna do is spray some water on it and see if this works and see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm holding the camera and this at the same time, and it seems like it's working a little bit. Maybe I need to add more Sharpie. I probably just have to drench the shirt. But it actually looks really cool. I don't know how well you guys can tell on camera, but this actually does look like a tie-dye effect. It almost looks like a shirt that you can just go and buy in the store. And I think this just looks really cool. I left a little bit down here white because I was thinking it was gonna flood down more. But it could also be the type of water bottle I have. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think I might try to get like a brush or something and spread it out, or maybe add more Sharpie to it. Okay, so this is what my shirt looks like. I didn't fully fill in certain spots, so I think that's why it looks like that. But it still looks really cool, and this was my first time trying this out, so I think maybe the second time I do this with something else, then it will look a little bit better. But this is what it looks like so far. Sorry with the bad lighting in certain spots. This is why I'm filming this in my kitchen, because it actually does have some good lighting. But I think this is a really cool shirt, and I think I'm probably gonna have to like wash it and dry it and everything. But it's really cool, and I'm gonna hold it up for you guys so you can see it. Okay, this is what the shirt looks like. Looks like this, and I think it kind of looks really cool. and everything. I think it could have came out a little bit better, but I think it's just the way I put the Sharpie marker on, and I didn't do the sleeves or anything. I just kind of did my shirt like this. So if you kitties enjoy this video, please give it a like. I tried it. This was like my first time doing this. And again, I have a second YouTube channel called My Two Smith, where I film vlogs and stuff like that. And if I play any music on this video, which I probably am, that will be in the links down in the description if you really like the songs that I have on this video. And I have a little banner with my social medias that will pop up here. And if you add my Snapchat, my bands too, then that notifies you when I'm uploading new YouTube videos, or if I'm sick and I'm not uploading for like a week like I just did, or whatever days I am uploading. I try to upload most days, but back in December I upload like every single day, and then, you know, I got sick last week with the flu and everything. I'm feeling much better than I was before, and I want to make sure I was feeling a lot better before filming again on YouTube here, and I'm feeling much better, so that's a good thing. And anyway, kitties, if you are also new here, then please be sure to subscribe if you support everything I do on my YouTube channels. And yeah, there's gonna be more amazing videos to come. So until next time, see me in my next video.